This Adirondack chair and table set are made out of plastic wood lumber, which will not rust or decay. They're suitable for various weather conditions, waterproof and UV resistant. They have a long lifespan. The chair can be folded for easy storage and camping carrying, and the side table is very easy to install. They are very heavy duty and will be able to stand up to a lot of use. The chair with armrests is super comfortable, and even the dog loves it. I have a feeling we're going to be fighting over who gets to sit in it this summer. I couldn't wait to put this together. It's more than I asked for, more than I expected, and I just really enjoy the color, the product, the quality. It's fantastic. I am so excited to spend my summer in this chair, enjoying it around the campfire, watching the kids play, all that stuff. I'm super excited about this.